There, this feels next week's extreme echo freeze, Arctic blast, weather forecast UK 24. Like video, press the thumbs up the side screen right now. The date today is the 7th of January, Sunday, 24 across UK right now. This is the local weather data across Waking Town locally. We're looking at blue colour is the rainfall. The colour is the temperature I recorded in the morning across Waking Town locally. So we get December 23 last year. We had 87 minutes of rain, which was quite a lot. It was a very mild December 23 compared to December 22, which was completely different. It was a cold first half to December 22, very cold, -6, -7 Celsius, -8 Celsius in the morning. And the last half of December 22 was very, you name it, guys, mild and very stormy. See here, guys, across Waking Town locally, which is fascinating. If you look at the rainfall for the last 23 years across Waking Town locally, and you're looking at here, guys, well, it's fascinating, guys. The rainfall for this year across, well, you name it, Waking Town locally was 898. It was one of the wettest months we've had since 2000 and you name it, 14 was 996 minutes of rain. That's incredible, guys. We had at least 5 wet months of 2023. Compare that to 2014 where we had 6 wet months. So it's been one of the wettest years we've had since 2014 across the southeastern regions around Waking Town locally, which is fascinating, guys. Absolutely fascinating. Absolutely astronomically fascinating, guys. And there you go, guys. That's the local weather data across Waking Town locally today. This is the upper, well, global sea temperature on the world globally. Place interest today for the coast of South America, east and central, western Pacific region, North Pacific Ocean, upper global sea temperature, North Atlantic, upper global sea temperature, the for Africa, upper global sea temperature, the Gulf of Mexico, upper global sea temperature. So it's going to the guys. Ow, the sky is incredible. Talking about a very super El Nino across the eastern central basin, western basin, Pacific region, which is causing all this very freaky weather across the world globally at the moment. Which is behind the culprit of the wet weather across northwestern Europe and the UK lately, which is because it's a very warm winter across northwestern Europe, which at the moment having a cold snap, but it's not going to last very long, I'm afraid to say. And it's my weather forecast, I could be wrong, I'll see if I can put the same right about the weather globally. And yeah, it's about very, very bad tornadoes because the southeast of North America potentially, with the Gulf of Mexico being very hot at the moment, potentially. The tornado season this year, March to June or so. Or July, it's going to be quite a bad one this year, especially this spring. There's northwestern parts of North America, you have to be warned by me. And yeah, it's going to be a very hot summer across northwestern parts of Europe this year, potentially 45, maybe 50 Celsius across northwestern Europe. And yes, this is the American 00 GFS midnight run. And to about going from the 15th of January to about cold air from the northeast. You've got the Brexit and high pressure going up to there, which is good news. Doesn't last too long though. The Atlantic does come back in with a sting in its tail. A very nasty low pressure storm coming in across the northwestern parts of the UK, northwestern parts of Europe. So it won't last very long. It will get milder again for a while, and northwesterly winds. So mountain over there, but it's very mixed. So yeah, that high pressure will retrograde up that way with the American GFS. The GFS is wobbling on this high pressure retrograding up towards Greenland. So it's not very, very hardly sure what's going on. And this is the upper air temperature, the midnight GFS one. It's about cold northwesterly winds in the future as far as the 22nd of January. So it looks like it's going to get colder at times and then get milder. It's going to be very in between. So it's staying cold on the north side of the jet stream we're going to be on, but not guaranteed. And this is the upper air temperature across Waking Town locally today. And down here talking about rainfall spikes. So it's dry for the meanwhile. There's a little bit of precipitation there. There might be some snow showers. Around here, guys, the 7th of January and then to the 9th of January, because Waking Town locally that might be snow because the temperature is quite low. And you're talking about a lot of scatter there. It does go up the upper air temperature towards the 13th to 15th of January, then it goes down below it, and then it gets back up to average around about the 20th. And the control one, this is the green one, that's going down negative into the future, which is interesting. This is the weather forecast Waking Town, talking about chances of wintry showers and some snow flurries in the evening. And it stays pretty cold in the future there and pretty unsettled. It's like the Atlantic's coming back in eventually. This is Guildford and like the same sort of idea. And a little bit more snowy potential there. It might get a covering of snow around there. I wouldn't be surprised. And it stays pretty cold until the 20th of January. It's going to warm up. And this is the Arctic oscillation. When that's negative, that means you've got northern blocking over Greenland. And the North Atlantic oscillation is the same with the Arctic oscillation. They're both in agreement. So there's a blocking for a while, not for too long. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the Sunday Jib, leave weather forecast, look pretty extreme for the future. If the weather forecast, it's UK. Watch the video. Please subscribe to the Sunday Jib. Bye.